Welcome to Dearborn, Michigan, a city renowned for its rich diversity and vibrant cultural mosaic. Nestled in the heart of America, Dearborn is a testament to the harmonious blend of various cultures and religions, shaped significantly by its substantial Arab American community. This community not only enriches the city with Middle Eastern cultural influences, but also plays a pivotal role in adding to the religious diversity. Through this unique demographic composition, Dearborn stands as a living example of cultural and religious pluralism, illustrating how diversity can foster a thriving, cooperative community. Interfaith dialogue stands as a crucial bridge between diverse religious communities, promoting mutual understanding and cooperation. By actively engaging in discussions and shared activities, different faith groups explore common values and respect unique differences, paving the way for a peaceful coexistence. This collaborative approach not only diminishes prejudices and misconceptions, but also strengthens community bonds. The essence of interfaith cooperation illuminates how varied religious beliefs can coalesce into unified actions, aiming for common goals such as social justice, peace, and communal welfare, thus highlighting its vital role in fostering global harmony. In Dearborn, interfaith initiatives serve as a dynamic force, uniting diverse religious communities through shared activities and endeavors. Such collaborative efforts include community service projects and interreligious dialogues that not only bridge gaps but also foster a deeper mutual respect and understanding among participants. These programs are pivotal in creating a cohesive community fabric, where different faiths contribute collectively to societal betterment. By engaging together in these meaningful activities, Dearborn's residents demonstrate a commitment to peace-building and illustrate how cooperative interfaith work can effectively address communal needs and challenges. Hear directly from the heart of Dearborn through the voices of its community members and leaders, representing a spectrum of faiths. These personal stories and insights reveal the profound impact of strong interfaith relations on daily lives. Living in a community enriched with diverse religious practices and unified through mutual respect, the residents of Dearborn experience a unique social harmony. These testimonies highlight how interfaith cooperation influences perceptions, enhances personal growth, and strengthens community bonds. This level of integration fosters an environment where diversity is not just accepted but celebrated, setting a powerful example of communal unity. The segment provided lacks content and therefore does not deliver specific information or context for detailed analysis or comprehensive narration. However, it's essential in video production to ensure that every part of the script or presentation addresses clear objectives and communicates effectively to the audience. This emphasizes the need for thorough planning and content development in ensuring every segment is meaningful and engaging, thereby maintaining the audience's interest and delivering value through each part of the production.